In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install and use FiveM Enhanced. So this way you can use FiveM to play GTA Roleplay or any other GTA server using the GTA 5 Enhanced version. So a lot of people don't know about this, but FiveM has just released a new FiveM version where they now support GTA 5 Enhanced. So to download it, you need to go to FiveM, which is the official FiveM website. And right here, you will find the option to download FiveM, but this is the old FiveM version, or the one that supports the old version of GTA 5, which is now GTA 5 Legacy. And as you can see right here, we now have FiveM for GTA 5 Enhanced. So you need to scroll down until you find this new option, which is now in early access. And you can click here to download FiveM for GTA 5 Enhanced. Just click the button and the download will begin automatically. And once it's done, you need to click the installer to open it. Now you can choose between install or custom setup in case you want to set a specific path for your game. In my case, I'm going to click install, and it should only take a few seconds for the download to finish. Now it should automatically connect with your Rockstar Games launcher to link FiveM with GTA 5. After a few minutes, you will need to accept the terms of service of FiveM, and now you are ready. You can link your CFX account if you want to, or you can skip this step, and now you can join any server you want. You can browse for servers here and join any FiveM server to start playing. So that's it. That's how you can install FiveM for GTA 5 Enhanced. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.